What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bosco back again. What's good, YouTube? Bobby Thrift back again with another video. As you guys can see, we're here at Ross once again. About to go ahead and see what we can find here. Hopefully there's some steals and deals. Ross has been so up and down lately. It's just crazy. You got to go to more locations in the day. I haven't really had time to do that. So hopefully at this location we can find some heat. But before we get in here, let's go ahead and check out some of the things I came across my recent trip at the Nike outlet that I was able to flip on Amazon. And then we're gonna get into the retail arbitrage here at Ross. I'll see you guys inside. Let's go. So I'm here at the Nike outlet doing some retail arbitrage, and let me tell you what I came across on this aisle. There are some pretty good finds, but the best one I've seen so far is this right here. $39 for 120. You guys can see even on Keepa, 112 is the lowest it's going. Only 16. So I have this right here. Pretty dope shoe. Check it out, full box, all black. I gotta be discreet. This store kind of doesn't want me recording sometimes. See what that is right there. Pegasus 37 Shield. Normally 130 on sale for 69. They have them here. Only thing is there's no review, no ranking, and only, you know, a bad review on that. So probably gonna leave that alone. Next we got these Pegasus right here. Look at this. Definitely a great ranking. $82 FBA. Of course, there's listings for higher because normal retail is $125. Looks like a pretty good buy here too for 89 bucks. But I don't know. We're gonna see what's up. What do you guys think about this? And if you guys sold these before, let me know. A lot of good situations here, man. You know, just gonna let this camera kind of roll a little bit and let just scan a little bit to see what we come across. These reacts right here, 89 for 135, 124. Only 9 FBA offers. It's not a bad flip either. A lot of good little situations here right now at the outlet. Definitely been hearing about this. Just haven't been coming too much. Really good ranking on here. 99 bucks for 79 bucks. That's not too much wiggle room for me. Look at these, 99, or wow. Different colorway though, that's on the box. Interesting, 89 for 125. 54 for 78. Not too bad over here. Looking at some more refurbished. I looked through this whole section. I really didn't see anything that stood out really to me. Whoa, actually, maybe I did. Because we got this Kyrie, right? 29 bucks. Sorry, 17. 29 bucks though. I think we're gonna have to scoop this. I think we're gonna have to take this. I know it's size 19, but whatnot, people been looking for size 19s. 190 for these NRGs, size 14. These are kind of crazy. Size 19 though. 130 for Air Max 90s. Oh my goodness, kind of crazy, but 29 bucks for these. Size 17, so I'm gonna rock with that. Let's take one. We'll take that for sure. Look at these refurbished LeBron Soldier. These are crazy. Size 18, 96 bucks. That Laker colorway is crazy. All right, so now we're walking into the Ross. Hopefully you guys did enjoy that. If you guys see anything in those Nike finds that you guys have flipped before or have some information on, please let me know in the comment section below. But now we're gonna go in here, hit up the men's shoes, the women's shoes, men's and women's athletic, and then get out of here. So I don't think I need a basket yet because I don't even know what to expect. Things have been kind of slow, so maybe I'll just go ahead and check the sections, man. So far, I don't see anything that's really popping or standing out. Got some Under Armours. Are these like nursing shoes? 32 bucks for those. I've been seeing some Nike ones lately, so that's what made me think these are nursing shoes. $32, a little bit too much, so we're gonna leave those alone. Let's see what else we got. Nothing. What are these? Just sports. Crazy colorway on them. More shoes. We got some more Puma slides. Got some dirt on them though. See if we can go anything else here. New Balances, 49 bucks. Let's go ahead and check out the well, 49 is a little bit too much. A little bit too much for me. So they going for 49, and that's what they're listening for. 49.64. So we're gonna leave those alone. RBX, no. I got these New Balances right here too. We've seen them before, but it's like the same comps on them. See, this is pretty bright. No comps on them, no, nothing worth grabbing. Definitely changed the format around. The shoes used to be over here, but they switched it up. So now the men's shoes is over here. Let's go ahead and dive in and see if there's any men's shoes worth grabbing, because there was nothing there for the women. It is what it is. These are like Air Force Ones, but of course they're not. We got some feelers here, triple black. Nope. We got some Vans down here. This colorway is not bad, perfect for this time of year. But we're gonna leave those alone. What's the retail on them now? 39 bucks, 40 bucks. Champion shoes. Got some feelers with some extras for the Velcro on the backside. Got some more Vans over here, and probably the best find of the day is these Puma Dreamers. J. Cole's first shoe. They want $35 for them now. $35 for these. Not enough comps on there for me, so we're gonna leave them, but these probably are the best finds. Okay, we got some more Adidas right here too. We looked these up in another colorway at the Thousand Oaks location. The comps weren't good enough, so we're gonna leave those alone too. But so far we got two pretty good shoes. These Under Armour for kids, not bad. So at the very tail end, and then we got some Reeboks here, which looks pretty interesting also. But these aren't anything I would go after or even waste my time looking up. But these are so far the best sneaker finds here. These Puma RS Dreamers, you dig? What do you guys think about these? None of these shirts come up for me when I scan them. I do kind of like this all over print Laker tee though. This is kind of dope. It's an NBA tee, $35 normally. Retail here for $10.99. What do you guys think about that? That would probably be good for Whatnot, but I need to sell some more of the stuff I already got before I buy more stuff for Whatnot. So if you guys want to support me, go ahead and check out my Whatnot auctions. Link is always in the description. Hit the link and get $10 off the first purchase if you use my code, of course. It's always in the description box. Help me move some of my merch, man, if you guys want to support your boy, you dig? Reebok. Not much going on here, y'all. Kind of. Dragon Ball Z merch. Adidas, 24 for 70. Nope. Some more of those Laker tees. Nothing really here today, y'all. What's this? Baseball. $27 for this. See good? Let me know. Armour jacket vest, 24 bucks for 75. Let's scan that. So far, nothing that I've scanned today shows up when I scan it. So I'll take that as a hint, but anything I'm looking up, nothing's popping up for me. So we're just gonna bounce, bro. Let's see. $17.99 for 55. Let's see if it comes up. Okay. 17 for 31. No ranking. $31 is the lowest FBA offer. Other people have it there too. Not really worth it. Not enough information for me. So let's go ahead and check out the women's active section. Found this one before, but it did not come up for me, but it was a different colorway, so let's see if these actually come up. Unfortunately, once again, does not come up. Let's slide through and see if we find anything else. No, those jerseys aren't good. That Nike, USA, $30 for 14. Not enough margin there. Champion. It's crazy, bro. It's just been real kind of nothing. Under Armour, 14 for 60. Let's scan this tag and see if we can get some luck with this. Okay, so this one actually does have some feedback. 61,000, 47 stars, $46. FBA. This right here might be a good look. We'll hold this to the side right here. Here. Nope. What's this? Adidas. Adidas Nashville. Okay. What's the retail tag? 60. Whoa, this is the wrong thing. Okay, so this is Adidas. Let's scan this too. I'm just gonna scan whatever we can find because there's not much here. So they got these back again. $16.99. Retail is $65. Let's check that out and see what it is. Now, once again, these are dope and they do pop up for me. However, people tank them all the way down, bro. You know what I mean? 65, the most recent one, 29 with 7 other offers on there. 29, 29, 30, 35. One person up there, but probably have to wait a little while to get it. Let me know what you guys think. This is a good find, but I don't know. So far, we found 2 good ones. 2 good shirts. Dragon Ball Z. Adidas didn't go through. Okay, Under Armour tee for women. $14.99 for 64. Unfortunately, this one was pretty good too, but it does not pop up. As you guys can see, tap out. It's here, so it's ungating season once again for me. Which brand should I go with next? New Balance, Puma, Adidas Originals. Let me know what brand I should try to get ungated in next. Let me know in the comments below. So we're gonna wrap it up. These 2 shirts are probably the best finds. I will take this orange one, but I'm not gonna take the Nike jersey because people have tanked that thing so crazy. We got a cart coming out. I'm gonna go check that really quick, and then I'm gonna get out of here. But if you guys like what you see, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces. Here's the cart for ladies. Nothing really interesting on there, so we're just gonna leave it alone. Yep, nothing on the cart that I want. All right. In the men's section, they got these again, which we saw at the last location, 110 for 34. Last time they didn't have the tag on them, I don't think. Let's see if these might come up. It's 2 pair of them, bro. I think this is the Kenya Olympic stuff, you know what I mean? Let's go ahead and see what's up. So, man, once again, these do not come up for me. If they were cheaper, I would get them and sell them somewhere else. But, you know, 34 for 110, that is a pretty good margin breakdown, you know? I'm just gonna leave them though, bro, because like I said, I'm trying to do only things mainly for Amazon. eBay's cool. I still got stuff there, but I haven't really posted anything new in a minute. And I do have Whatnot, but I also have a lot of things on Whatnot I'm trying to sell already. So I don't want to keep buying new stuff before I even sell through my old stuff. So we got these 134.29 Under Armour. We're gonna look those up right now. And we got yet another Kenya one, man. I wish these came up. I would scoop all 3 of them. Let's go ahead and check out this Under Armour though. What was it, 29 for $30 for 130? And this could be an Amazon thing, so we're gonna go ahead and see what this is talking about. Son of a gun, bro. How? Such a good thing. Does not come up for me. We're gonna leave that alone. So after looking around, man, the best finds we saw were at the shoe section with the Dreamers. Not too much else here, nothing that I'm gonna grab today, but let me know what you guys think about everything you guys seen in the video.